Welcome back to my kitchen. Today I'm going to be making a super simple recipe for no flour peanut butter cookies. I've seen the recipe several different ways. One that I find works best is Smucker's Natural. And I have one of these that is about to expire, so I'm gonna make a double batch and see how it freezes. And I'll get back to you about that. It's easy to remember. Cup of peanut butter, cup of sugar, an egg, and a teaspoon of vanilla. If you have a Trader Joe's and you've never tried their bourbon vanilla, you are missing out. It's great. If this isn't quite 2 cups, I'll extend with other peanut butter that I have. The oven is preheating to 350. So that's my favorite way to make peanut butter cookies. So easy and so delicious. If you enjoyed this video, click subscribe below. See you soon.